Joining us on set for the rest of the half hour, very pleased to have the Financial Times' Gillian Tett on. Gillian, welcome. Good to see you here on Worldwide Exchange.
Great to be.
Real pleasure. So we hopefully are going to be hearing from Charlie Evans, one of our Fed guys from Chicago who is in Europe today. But you guys at the FT, you got a big exclusive with outgoing ECB President Mario Draghi. Good job on that. Congratulations. What are the key takeaways for our viewers?
Well, the key takeaways are, firstly, Draghi is increasingly of the view that fiscal policy has to be harmonized more with monetary policy. There needs to be some mechanism in the Eurozone to allow governments to come together. And the reason he's saying that is partly because he's absolutely committed to keeping the euro together on track, but he's also in that group of central bank governors who increasingly recognizes that monetary policy is starting to reach its limits. Central banks really have been the main game in town for the last few years, but they're now saying, actually, as we go deeper and deeper into negative territory, it's time for governments and fiscal policy to step up. And of course, saying that is pretty controversial in the Eurozone.
Yeah, it is. And fiscal policy, for those who are uninitiated with the subtle speak of central bankers, basically means it's up to you, government. Stop looking at central bankers. The government is in charge of fiscal policy.
It means tax, 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 and tax. It means it's time and spending as well.
It doesn't mean tax.
Well, not just tax. But actually, in this case, it means essentially providing some form of public spending. That's a crucial thing. And they've been saying for a long time inside the ECB that actually there's a limit to what we can do. They're already facing really strong opposition inside Germany towards any more loosening of policy. Even the current quantitative easing is very, very controversial. There are German tabloids presenting Draghi as vampire, who's essentially Dracula, sucking all the blood out of the German economy and savers with these super low rates, in fact, negative rates. So they're saying it's up to governments to provide the stimulus if we're going to keep the Eurozone economy on track. Of course, the problem is that a lot of German politicians are strongly opposed to any more stimulus measures.